So we just had a brand new door installed. That's the company. And this is one of the buttons or the remote that they gave you. Goes in the vehicle. And then they put a new one up on the wall. Tells you the temperature and the date. And then it's even got this button here opens your door. This one down here turns the light on. So if you point over to the light's already on, I guess, but well, it comes on with the sensor. I guess there's a sensor in there. I guess when it senses someone, then it comes on. And you can show them the door. It's got windows in it. Take you on the outside here. It's supposed to be insulated and airtight. The springs are up there now, not on top of the tracks, like they were. He moved that. Oh yeah, show him the motor. Got a new motor in it now. This one is. This one's got more power than the old one did. A little bit more, I think. It's got two lights in it compared to the other one. It only had one. The springs are up there, like I said. No longer there. Take you outside. Probably needs to be cleaned again because they got it all dirty, but that's the new door. They apparently couldn't find the white, or they couldn't find the white shit anymore, the insulation crap or whatever. So they came up with this gray shit, which I guess kind of matches anyway because the bottom's gray too, just like that anyway. Got these are plastic, but the glass is real though. It's really nice and quiet too. We'll go back inside. Now we just need to paint the door now. That matches the rest of it. Yeah, so apparently the time is 4:40. I think you can even change the sensor too, so the light don't come on while if you walk in front of it, you can turn that off. Actually, I think I might just leave it. But we can open it either with the remote, or we can open it with the big button on the door, or on the thing. So we'll do it on the thing. It's just that quiet. You don't even hear it anymore. Not like the old one. The old one was so much more louder. It's all brand new too. The rails and everything are all brand new. Even the rollers. I got the old rollers over there. I kept them because I put money into the old door, so I kept them. Never know, we might blow out these. And then to close it, we'll do it on this. You don't even hear it. Old brand new door, insulated, airtight, everything. And it's got the new sensors down at the bottom there in each corner. And I guess apparently it's got something in it too. I guess if the door's coming down, it's got that sensors on it. But then if it senses weight, like if someone's under it with their arm or something, it'll trip the motor and it'll stop the motor from going down even. It stops it from going down even anymore. So it's got two safety things on it. Motion and then weight-wise. So, never even heard of this company, Midland. That's my radio, weather radio, not a garage door, but whatever. It's all brand new. me get her opening one more time. How about that? So, I don't know if I can turn it. Oh, I can. I can turn the light off with the switch. Show them the light there again. I'll turn it back on. You can do that with the light switch. I didn't know that. I guess you just let it turn it on. Turn it down a little bit. And you can see the seal on the top, very top of the door too. That's supposed to go flush with the other one. And then lets in more light too, so that's nice. There you go. Brand new door installed. Not cheap either.
Thank